Hello, students. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of biogeochemical cycles, which are essential for sustaining life on Earth. We'll dive into the water cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, the ozone layer, the carbon cycle, and the greenhouse effect. Let's get started. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, is the continuous movement of water around our planet. It begins with evaporation, where the sun's heat turns water from oceans, lakes, and rivers into water vapor that rises into the atmosphere. Plants contribute to this process through transpiration, where they release water vapor from their leaves. As the vapor rises, it cools and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. When these droplets become heavy enough, they fall back to Earth as precipitation, rain, snow, or hail. This water either runs off into rivers or seeps into the ground, replenishing groundwater reserves. Some water also flows deep into the earth, feeding into lakes and oceans. The cycle is crucial for distributing fresh water across the planet, ensuring that all living organisms have access to this vital resource. Next, let's explore the nitrogen cycle, which is critical for life because nitrogen is a key component of proteins, essential for all living organisms. The cycle begins with nitrogen fixation, where special bacteria in the soil or in the roots of certain plants convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, a form that plants can use. When plants and animals die, decomposers break down their remains, releasing nitrogen back into the soil as ammonium. Other bacteria then convert this ammonium into nitrites and nitrates through a process called nitrification. Plants absorb these nitrates, and animals obtain nitrogen by eating the plants. Finally, through denitrification, other bacteria convert nitrates back into nitrogen gas, releasing it into the atmosphere. This cycle ensures that nitrogen is continuously available to support life on Earth. Now, let's talk about the oxygen cycle, which is vital for all aerobic organisms. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis, where plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Animals, in turn, consume this oxygen during respiration to break down glucose for energy, releasing carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Combustion, the burning of fossil fuels and organic matter, also consumes oxygen and produces carbon dioxide. This cycle maintains the balance of oxygen in the atmosphere, supporting life on Earth. Next, we'll look at the ozone layer, which is crucial for protecting life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The ozone layer is located in the stratosphere and is made up of ozone molecules, formed when UV radiation splits oxygen molecules. This layer absorbs most of the sun's harmful UV rays, protecting living organisms from their damaging effects. However, human-made chemicals, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, have damaged this protective shield, leading to the thinning of the ozone layer, especially over Antarctica. Protecting the ozone layer is vital for safeguarding all life on Earth. The carbon cycle involves the movement of carbon among the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, soil, and living organisms. Carbon is essential for all life as it is a key component of biological molecules. Plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to produce food, which animals then consume. When plants and animals die, decomposers break them down, releasing carbon back into the environment. Carbon is also released through respiration by animals and plants, as well as through the combustion of fossil fuels. Some carbon is stored long-term in trees, oceans, and rocks, acting as carbon sinks. However, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Lastly, the greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth, some of it is reflected back to space, but most of it is absorbed, warming the planet. The Earth then emits this energy as heat, but greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap some of this heat, preventing it from escaping into space. This process is essential for keeping our planet warm enough to support life. However, increased greenhouse gases due to human activities are causing global temperatures to rise, leading to climate change. These interconnected cycles, water, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, and the greenhouse effect, are essential for sustaining life on Earth. They demonstrate the delicate balance of our planet's systems and the importance of protecting our environment. Now, here's a question for you to test your knowledge. What element is cycled through photosynthesis and respiration in living organisms? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.